Hey everybody, it's Eddie here, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the Crypto.com app. This is going to be a tutorial video, along with going over some of the new features that they have integrated. I know I've made Crypto.com videos in the past, but recently I've been getting some messages of people requesting me to make new videos on Crypto.com because I guess the interface from the old videos and the recent app is a little bit different. So we will get right into it. So the moment you download the app, you'll have to create an account. Now, before I go over some of the features, I think this is a great video for beginners. If you just got started in the crypto space or thinking about investing into cryptocurrency, I'm going to explain a little bit of how that looks like. Right now, we're inside the Crypto.com app, and you can see that Bitcoin is on the very top, and it's worth $19,700. Now, the misconception people have is that they think that they need $19,000 to buy one whole Bitcoin, but you don't have to. Because there are people who really believe in Bitcoin, but feel like they can't invest into Bitcoin. But if you believe in it, you could actually invest into it. And it's not the value or the number that matters, but the percentage that matters. For example, let's say that I bought $100 worth of Bitcoin at $20,000 and it decides to go up to $22,000. That's a 10% increase. That means that I made $10 or 10% on my $100 investment. But let's say that you had more money, you believed in Bitcoin a lot more, and you wanted to invest a lot more aggressively. Well, you can decide to put $10,000 when Bitcoin was at $20,000. And if Bitcoin decides to go to $22,000, that's a 10% increase. Your $1,000 investment is now worth $1,100, which is a $100 profit. If we scroll down the app, you can see a lot of different other altcoins. We have Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Cardano, so forth and so on. And you have to really understand some of these projects on a fundamental level. You have to know who the owners are. What is the project about? What are they trying to solve? What kind of space are they in? And if you believe in them, you can invest into them. But for this example, we're going to focus on Bitcoin because I do believe that if you are just getting started, Bitcoin is going to be the best place to start. Start very small first. Once you understand how price movement works, then that's when you can start considering investing a little bit more. I always tell people if you want to invest into cryptocurrency, you can be just investing into Bitcoin for the rest of your life and you'll be doing everything correctly. That's if cryptocurrency is still around in the next 100 years. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is deposit funds into your account. So you're going to go to your homepage, click on deposit, choose fiat, and choose your currency. And you'll have to set up a new currency. For me, it's going to be the US dollar. And this is a newer feature that I haven't talked about in my previous videos. You're able to transfer funds into your Crypto.com app and purchase crypto immediately. Before, you would have to wait for your funds to transfer. That could take anywhere between like 3 to 5 days, and then you can buy cryptocurrency. Now you can buy it immediately. Of course, you're gonna have to link a bank account first, but once you have, you can go ahead and choose link bank account. The only thing you have to know is that it's gonna take up to 7 business days for you to be able to withdraw your funds. Daily maximum is 100K, monthly maximum is 500K. This number might be different. I'm not actually too sure. Let me know if yours is different in the comment section down below. I'm going to go ahead and click on deposit now. I already have a bank account linked, but for this example, let's just go ahead and deposit $20. Everything looks great and click on confirm. You can now use your instant deposit to buy crypto. You can go click on accounts, and if you scroll down, you'll be able to see your fiat wallet. Inside it, I have $120. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Earlier, I sold $100 worth of crypto, and now I have my $20 deposit coming in, which is a total of $120. Once you have initiated the deposit, I'm going to click on Bitcoin, buy BTC. If you have Apple Pay, you can purchase crypto with that, although I don't recommend buying crypto with credit, or you can add a debit card and purchase crypto that way. I'm going to click on USD, and for this example, I'm only going to purchase 0.001 BTC, which is about $20. Click on buy 0.001 BTC, confirm all your information, click on confirm, and there we go. I bought $20 worth of Bitcoin. That $20 will become $22 if Bitcoin appreciates 10%. It'll go down $2 if Bitcoin goes down 10%. And after that, you pretty much just wait. There is actually no rule on when you can sell. If you want to sell when Bitcoin hits $40,000, that's a 100% increase. My $20 investment will become $40. that's okay. If you want to just hold it for the next 10 years, maybe that $20 will be worth $100, $200. The way that you're going to sell is you're going to go back, click on sell, choose the cryptocurrency of your choice, which is going to be Bitcoin, and you can sell it into another crypto, or you can click on cash and you can sell your crypto into your fiat wallet or your Crypto.com Visa card. That's a whole different topic for another video, but I do have a dedicated Crypto.com playlist where you can look more in depth into the credit card features. I'll leave that playlist link down below. But there are 3 ways you can invest into cryptocurrency. But before I share, just a reminder that I'm not a financial advisor, nor anything that I share in this entire video financial advice, but hopefully these videos are helpful and educational. The first strategy is the lump sum strategy. It's pretty much what it sounds like, right? You decide how much you want to invest. Let's say you want to invest $1,000 worth of Bitcoin and that's it. Well, you would just buy $1,000 worth, and that's it. You wouldn't buy tomorrow. You wouldn't buy next month. A year from now, you wouldn't buy unless you really wanted to. And you would watch your investment grow. The pro is that if you got in right now, and let's say $19,600 was the bottom, if Bitcoin goes up, you're going to be maximizing on your profits because you went all in when Bitcoin was low. The con is that if you went all in at these levels and Bitcoin decided to drop, maybe you won't have any cash on hand and you won't be able to buy the dip. All you can do is hold. So the second strategy is to dollar cost average on a regular basis. As you go through the whole buying process, under one-time buying, you can select that, and there's going to be a recurring buy option. Invest in BTC on a recurring schedule. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. You can do recurring buying for any of these cryptocurrencies. You can choose daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. I personally just choose daily because I feel comfortable with that, but it's completely up to you. Click on set up BTC recurring buy, and I can choose to invest $20 worth of Bitcoin, select frequency, maybe every week on a, let's just choose a Monday because that's my favorite day. And you can pay with your credit card, your crypto wallet, or your fiat wallet. The third strategy is going to be the target price. Now, this is a new feature within Crypto.com that I haven't covered yet. I think it's been out for about a couple months now. In order to use this strategy, you're gonna need a cryptocurrency called Tether or USDC. So I'm gonna click on buy. Tether and USDC are what we call stable coins. They're called stable coins because they are not volatile like other cryptocurrencies. They remain flat as a dollar because they are pegged to the dollar. So if you own 100 Tethers or 100 USDC, you own $100. 10 USDC, $10. In terms of which one is better, I would say USDC is going to be a safer option. Tether has been around for quite a while. If you are a regular trader, then Tether is probably going to be a lot more comfortable. But if you're going to be a long-term investing type of person, then USDC is going to be a better choice. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and choose USDC. Right now I have $100 within my fiat wallet, so we're going to go ahead and buy 100 USDC, and the purchase has been successful. Now let's go ahead and set those target prices. Click on buy, Bitcoin, click on one-time buy and select target price. All right, and now I have 100 USDC in my account. Now here is how target or limit orders work. Let's say that you believe that Bitcoin is going to go all the way down to $17,000. That is about a $2,000 price difference. The thing is, it might happen while you're traveling, while you're hanging out with your friends, or maybe while you are asleep. You'll wake up or you'll arrive at your destination and realize, dang it, I missed my opportunity to buy Bitcoin at $17,000 when I really wanted to. Well, you can actually set those orders beforehand so that maybe when Bitcoin does reach $17,000 while you're asleep, it'll get filled. How you do that? Well, you enter the price you want to buy Bitcoin at. So let's say you want to buy Bitcoin at $17,000. Oops, I entered one too many zeros. So take out one, $17,000. I'm going to enter the max amount of Bitcoin I could buy, which is 100 USDC. And then I would click on buy. So if Bitcoin goes down to $17,000, my order will get filled. Crypto.com will automatically buy $100 worth of Bitcoin at $17,000. Maybe you don't think that Bitcoin could go all the way to $17,000, but you're willing to buy it at a 5% discount. Well, you would click on the negative 5%. maybe a 10% discount, or maybe even a 15% discount. And every time you do that, you'll have to change the amount of BTC because it's going to adjust. But once you're satisfied with how everything looks, you're going to click on buy, review all the details, and click on confirm. And now my target buy order has been placed. If you go to the main menu and click on the Crypto.com logo on the bottom center, you'll see target price. You're going to click on that and you'll be able to see the orders you have placed. The good thing is you can actually place multiple orders. So I'm going to click on buy, and this time we'll use Tether and we'll do it at a 10% discount. We'll do the max amount, buy, confirm, and there we go. I have 2 orders in place. So this can be a strategy of your own where you can set buy orders at 18, 17, 16, 15. So if Bitcoin were ever to go down that low, it'll automatically get filled. If it never goes lower, then it doesn't get filled. Because it's one of those things where like when the market is crashing or it's going through a major correction, you know in your mind it's the right thing to buy. But for some reason, everything in your body is fearful and doesn't want to buy because you're afraid that everything's going to go a lot lower. But what if you're able to set all these parameters and all these things in place when you're mentally more stable, when the market is calm, and you know that, hey, if the market goes lower, I'm going to buy. That's why I continue to dollar cost average into the market every single day. And if the market decides to go even lower, I either increase my dollar cost average amount or I decide to buy the dip much more aggressively than usual. If you want to make adjustments to your buy orders, you can click on cancel, cancel order, cancel order, and you can set new target orders or just do a one-time purchase. I still recommend practicing dollar cost averaging because I think it's very good investing practice, but usually during a bear market like one we're experiencing right now, lump sum tends to do better. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful. If you liked it and you enjoyed it, please give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Over. Hope you guys are all doing well during the bear market. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but there are a couple of things and a couple of reasons and a lot of personal things that I'm going through in my life. Maybe I'll share it one day. It's not necessarily a bad thing. It's just a weird transition in my life that I'm still trying to figure out, but it's all for the better. If you're still around during the bear market, props to you. I'm still here. I'm not going anywhere, and hopefully we can ride this out up to the next bull run. I'll see you guys in the next video. Over. Good night, good morning. Adios.